morning. Very good morning, children. Please, how are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then, had your breakfast? Very good. Yes. Are you ready for the class? Yes. Shall we start, children? Yes. Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 1. Yes, we are in the new month, October. Which month, children? October. October is 10th month, right? Yes, so that's why I have written 10 here. Okay. Today is 1st October 2021 here. Okay. Then the day is Friday. Yes. Yes. Do you know what is tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow is October 2nd. What is there in October 2nd? Yes. Tell me. You know, right? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, children. Yes, you know Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Yes. His birthday is on October 2nd. Yes. We will celebrate, right? Yes. Then, anything else? That's it, right? Yes. Then we will start, children. Yes. Today you have English subject, right? Yes. Then let us see the thought for the day. Okay? Yes. Only you should change your life. No one will do for you. Yes. Your life you should only change. Nobody will do for you. Right, children? Yes. Your work you should only do. Others come and do your work. No, right? Like that only life also. Okay? Yes. Yes, children, in previous class what we did, children? Do you remember? Do you remember? Yes, we did the 4th lesson, right, children? What is the name? Yes, tell me. Bunty's shrinking clothes. Yes, Bunty's clothes is shrink, means it became very small. Okay? Yes. We learned about this lesson, right? What is this lesson, children? Bunty is a boy, right? He is always eating cheese only. We like more cheese. Daily morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, night dinner, all the 3 times he is eating only cheese, right? That's why he became very fat. And his clothes are not fitting for him, right? When he wear that clothes, what happened? Yes, the buttons broke. Yes. Yes, it's broken, quite fell down. Right, buttons. Yes, we learned. Then he ran home. Then he tried to change other clothes. He tried to wear, but that clothes also very tight. It has become small. It has been shrinked. Right? Yes. So he is not able to wear the clothes, right? His old clothes and all. So what happened? Mother told, always you are eating cheese. That's why you became very fat. Now if you eat vegetables, fruits, healthy foods, no, your health will be correctly normal, it will become. Then your dresses will fit for you, like that mother told, right? Then what he did, that day onwards he started eating healthy foods. Then he became correct size, right? Then his dresses are all fitting now. Yes? Yes, so we should eat healthy food. Yes, from this lesson we learned that we should eat healthy food, not junk foods. Okay, any one time okay you can have. Daily means it is not good. Right, children? Yes. This only we learned in the previous class, right? Yes. Then meanings. Meanings also we learned, right, children? Yes. Cheese is a yellow or white solid food made from milk. Healthy means food that makes one strong and does not make one fall sick. Right? Listen to hear what someone is saying. Buttons, round objects on clothes. Bust open. Broke open. Bust means broke open. Tries on means wear and checks. Wears and checks. Okay. Shrunk means become smaller. Yes. Then next we have exercise 2, literature comprehension. Right, children? Yes. We have here choose the correct answer. You should choose the correct answer here. Okay. Take out your textbook, page number 21. English textbook part 1. Yes. Then page number 21. Please children take out your pencil also along with you. Yes. Use pencil and maintain your textbook very neatly. Okay. Don't scratch unnecessary. Don't scramble. Yes. Don't rub like anything dirtily. Yes, don't do like that, okay? Don't even tear your pages also. Maintain your book neat. Okay, children? Yes. Then, let us start. Yes. First one is Bunty eat every day? What he eat? Cheese, healthy food, burger and fries, biscuits and soft drinks. Every day what he was eating? Yes, cheese, correct? Yes, he was eating cheese. See here, you have to write the correct option. See, A, cheese, okay? So write down A. Then next, what does Bunty do when he finds that his clothes have shrunk? What does Bunty do when he finds that his clothes have shrunk? What he did? Tell me. He is happy. He is angry. He starts crying. He smiles. What he does? Tell me, children. Tell me, children. Yes, he is happy. He is angry. He starts crying. He smiles. What he do? What he does, children? He starts crying. Right? Because the clothes are not fitting for him. So he started crying. Okay? Right? See. Then next. What does Bunty's mother tell him to do? What she told? To eat only cheese. To only eat cheese, she told, or to drink a lot of water, to not eat anything, or eat healthy food. Which she told? Eat healthy food. Correct, she told, right? Yes, so write down D. Yes, children? Yes. Then turn next page. Yes. See, exercise 3, read and answer. Read the names of the food items and match them with their pictures. Food name and picture of the food. You should match. Okay. See, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Where is milk here? Where is milk? Yeah, milk. Match it. You should only do. Okay. Sandwich. Which is sandwich here? This. Yes, match. Then next, soup. Which is soup? Yes, in the bowl. Yes, match. Vegetables. You know very well where is vegetables here, right? Match. Bananas. Where is banana? Yes, here. Very good. Match. Very good. Grade 1 kids. Telling the answers, right? I can hear you. Very good. Very good. Yes, then turn next page. Yes, what we have next? Exercise 4. Value-based question, judgments and appreciation. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Yes, your answers they are given. You should choose the correct answer and write. Okay. When we eat dash, healthy, unhealthy food, we stay fit and strong. Which we eat means we will be fit and strong. Healthy food or unhealthy food? Yes, healthy food. See, healthy food. First one. Right here. Write this answer here, children. Now only you should write down. I will not write and show. You should write. Okay. Yes, write down this healthy here. Completed. Yes, then next. Bunty starts eating less or more cheese. Less or more cheese he was eating. More. Correct. He was eating more. Write down more. Second one. M-O-R-E. More. Write down. And dash less or and dash less more vegetables and fruits. He was eating more vegetables and fruits. No, less. Correct. So write down L-E-S-S, less. Okay. Yes. Completed. Yes. Then next what we have, speaking task. Let us see what is that speaking task. Ask and answer questions. Make pairs, tell your friend about your favorite healthy food. Ask them questions about their favorite food, favorite healthy food as well. Okay. You should ask the question to your friend and you should answer. Okay. What is your favorite fruit? Yes, what is your favorite fruit? Instead of asking your friend, children, because you are not together, right? Your friends are not with you. Right. So what you will do? You will tell your own. Which is your favorite, you will tell. Okay. Yes, this is homework. Yes, children. This will be the homework. You should make one video. Okay. Tell your parents to take a video and you should tell Do you know what you should say? Yes, you should say which is your favorite fruit. Which is your favorite fruit? You should tell. Which is your favorite fruit, children? Apple, orange, banana, mango. Yes, whichever you like that. Okay. Yes. Yes, children, you can tell. Yes, you know my favorite fruit is mango. Yes, it is which color? Yellow. Yes, I like yellow. Yellow color. Do you like, children? Yes? Yes, I like, but it is not my favorite color, right? So you can tell about the color also and how it is taste also. About the taste also you can tell. Yes. Then what is the color of the fruit also you can say. Yes, in the video like that you can say. You can say, see example you can say like this. My favorite fruit is mango. It is yellow color. It is very sweet in taste. Like that you can say. Okay. Yes. Then next question also we have. Which vegetable do you like the most? Which vegetable you like very most? I like carrot. Yes, carrot is orange color, saffron color, orange color. Okay. Yes. And it is good for our health also. It is good for our eyes also. Daily one carrot we can eat raw. Yes, like that. Without cooking also we can eat a carrot, right? Yes, this and all you can tell. You can add and tell in the video. Okay. Then next, we should eat too much of cake, chips or cookies. Should we eat too much of cake, chips, cookies? This and all you should eat more? No, because that makes our body unhealthy. Right? It is a junk food. So, we should not eat cake, chips and cookies always. Okay, any one time we can have, but every day we cannot have. Okay. So, that also you should tell. We should not eat too much of cake, chips, cookies and all because it is unhealthy food. Like that you can say. Okay, in the video. Then next question also we have. Why is it important to have healthy food? Why it is important to have healthy food? It will make us fit and strong. Okay, if we eat healthy food, we will be fit and strong. Like that you should say. Okay, in the video. Yes, see in page number 23, children, you have these questions. Okay, in this you have these questions, right? Yes, we have 4 questions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions we have. For these 4 questions, you should make one video and tell the answers. Okay, just now I told what is your favorite fruit? You should say your favorite fruit and color of that and how it tastes. Okay, then next, which vegetable do you like the most? Which vegetable? Example, carrot I like very much. That color is orange and it is very good for our health also and eyes also. Like that I told, right? You can say like that. We should eat too much of cake, chips or cookies. Should we eat more cookies, cakes and all? No, we should not eat too much of cake, chips and cookies because it is unhealthy food. Okay, like that you should say. Then, why it is important to have healthy food? Why it is important to have healthy food? Because healthy food keeps our body fit and strong. Okay, we should eat healthy food that will make our body fit and strong. Like that you should say. Okay, children? Yes, like this you should make one video and you should send it in the group. Okay, this is your homework. Today's homework is nice homework you have. So everybody will send, right? Yes. Then complete today's classwork also. Yes, page number 21, 22, 23. Yes, we completed today 3 pages, right? That also complete it and send it in the group for correction. Okay? Then this video also. Yes, your favorite fruit, favorite vegetable, why we should eat healthy food, and yes, we should eat more cake, chips, cookies and all that also you should say. Okay, make a video and send it to the group. Okay, yes, then today this is enough, children. Yes, then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.